catch me if I fall.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to prepare chicken biryani. So for the ingredients, we are going to have rice, chicken, biryani masala, black pepper, bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, ginger and garlic paste, turmeric powder, coriander leaves, tomatoes, onions, and cooking oil. First, I'm going to boil the meat. It's not a must you boil it, but I prefer it cooked. And then I'm also going to pre-boil or to pre-cook the rice, not fully cooked, but to boil it a bit. So after washing, I'll boil it, and then I'm going to drain the water to remove the starch. So I'll still wash it while it is cooked a bit so that the water can come out. This will avoid it to be sticky, and it will help it to have not to be sticky as I cook. So I'll ensure that I strain it well so that all the starch can come out. That is before cooking. So I'll ensure that my rice is ready and my meat is ready, and then I'll set all the other ingredients ready for cooking. Blend the tomatoes. You can use a blender or any other apparatus that you have. So here I have already blended, and then you now collect all the ingredients that you have to prepare them ready so that you can start cooking. So you can see there we have the bay leaves, the salt, we have the turmeric ready, and coriander, the grated garlic, soy sauce, and the other spices, chili. Everything is ready, set, and the rice is already pre-cooked, as you can see. That's the blended tomato, and this is the boiled meat. Fry the spices so that they can turn a bit brown. By frying them, the flavor will incorporate well with the rice. Cook the spices on a pan for a few minutes. As they cook, also fry the onions and make sure that they turn brown. If you want very brown, it's okay. If you don't like the brown onion, it's okay. But for me, just slightly brown. I prefer them slightly brown. So I've put the onions, and after that I'm going to put the spices bit by bit. After that, pour in the meat and stir it properly to ensure that it gets the spices. You can add as many chilies as you wish and bay leaves as you wish, salt and the turmeric. For the chilies, you can put as much as you can, but for me, I just prefer just a little spicy. So I've just added 2-3 pieces, and that's it for me. So after cooking for some time, then you can pour in the tomato. So the tomato is going to spice it all up and ensure that nothing sticks on the pot. And now the food, I'm sure, is ready for the pouring in of the rice, the cooked rice. After allowing it to simmer for some time, it's ready, and you can either remove it and mix it with the rice bit by bit, or you can pour in and mix it together. But because I'm just cooking little biryani, not much, it's less than a kilo, so I'm not going to remove it and arrange it like in chambers where you put little rice, little stew, little rice, little stew. I'm just going to pour in the rice and then I stir it because it's just like half a kilo. So I'm done preparing the rice and I have put coriander on top. I didn't cook the coriander, but I just placed the coriander on top. I like the flavor of coriander when it's not cooked. And my biryani is ready, and wow, it's yummy, yummy, yummy. So welcome, and this is just a simple way of making biryani the easy way, and especially for beginners, it's just an easy way without much to do. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for viewing also all the time that we post the video. And for those who are new, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Press the notification bell so that you can get alerted each time we post a video. Make sure you like, you comment, you share it with your friend, give your views. Your views are welcome. So welcome back again. Adios. Bye bye.